This Century 21 Global Realtors property video is presented by Beverly Carter. Move-in Ready describes this 3-bedroom home. Open spacious living area has new carpet and sliding doors overlooking the backyard and patio. Galley kitchen provides all appliances and plenty of cabinets and counter space. Dining area located just off kitchen. 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths with new paint, and most of the carpets and flooring are replaced throughout home. Replacement windows are great for energy efficiency. Many more updates and a storm shelter in the garage for the Oklahoma weather. The swing set play area can stay with property or be removed. Must see to appreciate. Donâ? Way to view this home. Call for more information. For more information, review the details below or contact Beverly Carter at 405-743-9618.